for KT Hamod. Etremo say will be tenchanya, e bia, asen not empino, ne ho ba yo bi mobo. Now so ne ho nya mobo baako kra. Yentie ensamwa, adanse asokwa MP, odimonyam for KT Hamod eka.
We practice democracy in Ghana. If whatever his name is that you talk about is faced with the consequences you're talking about, he is hoisted by his own petard. On the 9th of the 6th, the 9th or 7th or whatever, when voting and all that, when this matter had come about because of the alleged citizenship, double Canadian, whatever that they talked about, I personally called the former Deputy Attorney General, Dominic Ay3ka, and spoke with him about it. I told Dominic to warn our brother from her saying whatever, that if what you are talking about is true, you should leave, for God's sake. Provisions of, I think, Article 105 of the Constitution, pretty clear, crystal clear, beyond argument. Leave the place. If that wasn't bad enough, we had a president of our late brother, Ademu Sekendi, who had gone through the same processes. In the end, he was disqualified, and it didn't end at that. He was prosecuted and incarcerated. I was afraid. My heart was bleeding for him. I sent Dominic to go and speak with him. Well, in the circumstances, when they were clear in their mind, they had numbers to elect Babi as their speaker, they were prepared to wheel whoever, irrespective of their qualification. Indeed, I ventured to say that, listen, don't let this guy applaud you from high hell to whatever, because in the end, when you go into prison, they will even take you off, see you off to his home gate. You'll be going all alone. I wouldn't cry about whatever happens to him, because we warned him from day one that he was playing with big inflammable fire.
Accra,
go where you have to do.
102.9.
Etirachasa emrashabe jania wojiramu ede ema dance asokwa eyo ni monyamfo
Katechie Frifa say he cares for the youth. My God, he cares for the youth. The budget is there. The only thing in the budget is not the e-levy. There are other parts akolebi a uchire nimu no betumi take advantage. Enti me kwesi me ba me political zone page so a dia me ye ne say me kire budget nimu dia me mpeno meka dia me peno meka na dia minim so obi kwa wo benya moa no me kire nimu na daachi bi anase wo kine bi opportunity bi ba wono so de ne ho ahye ho. Okateche Frifa, what are you doing with your page? You couldn't even manage a simple being a radio host on the show. You couldn't curtail yourself. You couldn't even humble what you went to me and say. And like I say, birds of the same feathers always confuse their motherfucking owners. Birds of the same feathers, they don't fly together. They confuse their owners. And it's a fact. Captain Smart from Kumasi radio station went to me and handle no. Look at the track record these people have, Ghana youth. You are telling me, say, yan to ND single, yan to MP pingu, yan to CPP, you be angry and offer alternative baya, or Katechie Frifa. Captain Smart, who couldn't even humble himself to be a common radio host on a simple radio show. Are you guys kidding me? In any case, why no bet me and say I went to a Captain Smart factory be a web beer or employing for a best 600 crowd. But look at the lavish life he's leading. And you know why he's living that life? He's living that life because me and you has made it so. We have failed to cross-check the bullshit they spew to us when they come on their platforms. We let sentiment set in and we take our political stance, and the main issue is lost. Yet the Saglimé Joe be $179 million a year. The thing is not completed. Yet the NDC and MPP beton chain. Now you should be a second 1 year trace. Everybody are taking an entrenched position. MPP for Omediska, NDC for Enadiano, Enadiano Cranentisa, NDC for Chantro, MPP for Chantro. Now, who journalists now obey your research? The Apano was so sebi sensationalization. cloth intino na also still radio so obiti na kura o kan yen no na to na sum na o de dada no say eye Kufuado abanbo no waja saglima ato ho. What are you guys doing? Ya probi mana be di memo. They say yempe Mahama, yempe Kufuado you why Captain Smart no katechi afrifa. Hey. Avram be Moshe. Waton kaka chofan wo kemu. Waton bi wan ye gbengben. Wa kan bi wan ye gbengben. Avram ajimi wan ye gbengben. No adanda no ho. O si afedi o kan sempa wo kemu. Eni ngame. Edi eni ebedi. Me na me ka me kire wo. No de agi usika wo baasi mu edi awie. Avram ya. Eno na me no o si wo beti asore. Krono a wo pe na one ne elders akuska ho ntino wo si asore nye bio. Ya wo hwa afedi o se ye benu wiase nina wo pa akwala nyansa wo ni tirimu pa ye frɛ no Avram Jimmy Moshe adentia ne sɛ ɔse ɔno ne de sɛbe ɔngye nyame ndi Bible ni hɔ Quran ni hɔ Allah ni hɔ yo yate Avram sɛ wo se Allah ne Quran na yi ni hɔ a Avram ha ne bɔ yɛn ne de ɔse bibi ne bɔ yɛn yo yate bibi ne bɔ yɛn ne sɛ wo maame ne wo papa akoda ne ye de awo yo yate Avram eno so ye de bema wo afei onipa na wo no sɛ nyame ni ho na Kristofo mo na mo emobo ebre ni bedu a sei ni na baba wakan ne Bible mu ade Bible with these days yan kan Sunday ni afane aprapra ho na hye motom ni yede ko Avram who switched from Christianity because the person wonya no wanya wo ho no enne wadane ne ho ka kire wo se wonya nkopon a wo be brochire wo bompa yese menyankopon ye brochire a mekoi ma menye yie onyankopon tonsuo gu madwuma so onyankopon ma memba nye yie onyankopon ma Allah bless my seed Allah bless my work Allah bless my hands ekoso eye adwuma no wagina ho ma small boy bi a JSS po went to me anya grade 12 JSS ye the Avram resource brewa onya agege 79 eno no kura no obi boa no onu mo abeka kire wu university graduate say nyame ni ho afa ye start say ye mia ne kon no hu say ne ho da ho no afa de o say o nyame wo ho na Bible ne na ye nipa ne kiro ye Quran ne nipa ne kiro ye nteno de onjindi e ho ha na na esanka Ghana fo mu say boy ne na dwene nya adwuma ye chikoko aye di ne ma sebe Quran e kan Allah ho asem me pa cho me boa Quran speaks about Allah Quran it speaks about Allah okay. You believe there is Allah, but you don't believe the Quran. And the Quran shows you how Allah wants you and him to live, and your neighbors to live, and the world to live in harmony. That is what the Quran teaches you. It's about the words of Allah. You believe Allah, but you don't believe the Quran. Nagane ni be matiho. Hey, bueno ya dio ochiremu. Hey, Avram. What are you people doing to Ghana? Are you people kidding me? Hey, they say Avram na wojina wo say nyame ni ho. Afedi wo say nyame wo ho because they say no say nkrofo bebiri dwa ne ba. Ekowie no a afedi wo say o enye nyame no ngini ndi o na mbom Bible no ngini ndi. Ma me papa Bible yi so sabe enye kalomo sem na wom enye chinchinga sem na wom eye nyame sem na wom. Na oji nyame di but ongini nsem ndi a ma me papa nyansa wom. Oji nyame di